Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must own Metal Sonic and meet the level or currency requirement. Check the in-game store for a Chrome variant or DLC. If it's gated, note the exact coin cost or challenge. Once you have the currency and character, open customization or the unlock menu. Make sure to be on a stable internet connection if purchases are required, because interrupted downloads can block cosmetic unlocks and force repeated steps. Now continue with the mid-game execution. Complete the name challenge tied to the Chrome unlock. That's usually a boss run or a collection task. While doing it, focus on consistent tactics. Memorize boss patterns, conserve boosts, and clear optional objectives to secure tokens. Once you earn the token or certificate, go straight to customization, locate Metal Sonic, and choose the Chrome skin. Make sure to confirm the purchase or redeem the token. Otherwise, the skin won't appear in your roster. Finish by equipping Chrome Metal Sonic and verifying it appears in-game. Jump into a quick match or hub to confirm visuals and animations. If the skin is missing, reopen your inventory, ensure DLC is activated, and check for pending downloads that need completing. If problems persist, restart the game client and verify game files or cache. Many issues resolve that way. If you still can't access Chrome Metal Sonic, contact support with your purchase or complete.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.